Welcome to UCAN Data, where we will build the foundational knowledge required to succeed in today's data-driven business world. You don't need to be a data scientist to generate value for your organization, but you do need to be able to interpret data, use it to make better decisions, and communicate effectively with your teammates and customers. My goal is to create a comprehensive set of videos that business professionals can study to master the concepts, technologies, skills, and strategies necessary to succeed. The videos will be designed to be viewed in order, starting at the beginning, but also allow you to skip ahead to any of the topics that interest you most. With that said, let's get started. In our next video, we'll discuss some specific and famous examples of how relatively modern businesses made some pretty poor decisions because they lacked access to sufficient data. But business didn't begin in the 1900s. So here's a super quick overview of the evolution of data from a business context. Business data collection dates back thousands of years. In ancient Mesopotamia, merchants recorded trade activities on clay tablets. This primitive data helped track inventory, trade routes, and transactions, laying the foundation for record keeping. By the 15th century, the double-entry bookkeeping system was born in Italy, introduced by Luca Pacioli, the father of accounting. This system revolutionized the way businesses tracked assets and liabilities, ensuring accuracy and accountability. With these records, business owners could analyze profits and losses for the first time. Fast forward to the 18th and 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution changed everything. As companies grew, so did the need for structured data. Inventory management, sales records, and financial reporting became essential for tracking performance across factories and supply chains. The use of punch cards and mechanical calculators emerged, providing businesses with early tools to collect and manage growing volumes of information. This was the start of data moving from simple records to insights used for operational decisions. In the mid-20th century, the rise of computers transformed how businesses worked with data. IBM and other pioneers developed mainframe computers capable of processing data at speeds unimaginable before. These machines enabled businesses to track payroll, manage inventories, and conduct financial analysis at scale. In the 1960s and 70s, the invention of relational databases allowed companies to organize data in new ways, laying the foundation for enterprise systems like ERPs, short for Enterprise Resource Planning. The ability to store and retrieve data efficiently marked a major turning point for business operations. The 1990s brought the internet, a game changer for data collection.
On your mark, get set. We're riding on the internet.
Suddenly, businesses could gather insights directly from online transactions. E-commerce platforms like Amazon revolutionized retail by leveraging customer data to recommend new products, track trends, and optimize inventory. With more people connected to the internet, businesses had access to larger volumes of data, giving birth to the concept of big data. In the early 2000s, companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon mastered the art of turning user data into strategic assets, using algorithms to improve products and personalize customer experiences. Today, data is everywhere. From smartphones to IoT devices, cloud computing has made it easier for businesses to store and access data from anywhere in the world. Companies no longer rely only on historical data, but also on predictive models powered by artificial intelligence. Tools like AI-powered analytics help businesses forecast demand, optimize marketing, and personalize customer experiences in real time. As technology continues to evolve, the volume of available data grows, driving a new era of decision-making rooted in insights. We've come a long way from clay tablets to predictive analytics. The role of data in business has evolved dramatically. What started as simple record keeping has become the foundation of every major business decision today. As technology advances, data will continue to shape industries, fuel innovation, and drive growth. So whether you are managing a local business or leading a multinational corporation, understanding the power of data will remain key to success in the years ahead. As I mentioned at the start of the video, my goal is to help business professionals to feel empowered by data to make better decisions. Data-driven decisions do not require a PhD. Excellent data science and technology teams are an incredible asset to any business. But ultimately, if their insights are not understood and communicated effectively throughout the organization, their impact will be limited. That's where you come in. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribed. I'd love to hear from you in the comments on your questions, feedback, personal stories, shameless compliments, and ideas for future content. In our next video, we will look at some notorious examples of business decisions that failed spectacularly, in large part because good data either didn't exist or wasn't available to business leaders. I hope to see you then.